Think about getting ready for your day. You wouldn't wear an oversized sweater to run a marathon or gym shorts to snuggle on the couch. We dress for the occasion. Managing your period works the same way. Expecting one specific product to be the right fit for every single thing you do usually leads to frustration. Staring down the feminine care aisle at the pharmacy can feel completely overwhelming, with rows of boxes all claiming to be the best. But you can sort through the choices by looking at how they are worn. Almost every option you'll see fits into one of two categories: external or internal. External products are worn outside the body, resting against your skin like standard clothing. Internal products are designed to be worn safely inside the vaginal canal. Starting with this simple inside or outside distinction helps clear away the confusion. It gives you a clear starting point for building a period toolkit that actually fits your life. For most people, external products are the standard starting point. They are the everyday basics of period care, and they work best for low-impact days. The most common choice is the disposable pad. These have a sticky backing that attaches directly to your underwear to catch fluid as it leaves the body. These are popular because they are so easy to use, especially if you're just starting out. You can also find them almost anywhere, from big supermarkets to small convenience stores. On the other hand, pads can feel a bit bulky. If you're moving around a lot, they might shift out of place, which can be a little uncomfortable. If you like the way pads work but want a less wasteful option, you can use reusable cloth pads. They function just like the disposables, but you can wash and reuse them for years. There is also a more modern take on external protection called period underwear. These feel exactly like wearing a normal, comfortable pair of underwear, but the fabric is specially designed to absorb fluid and keep you dry. They offer a very low-profile fit, though they do require a bit of planning, since you'll need to wash them after each use. Because they are so straightforward, external products are often the most comfortable choice for sitting at a desk, relaxing at home, or getting a good night's sleep. When you're heading to the gym or the pool, you might want something that stays completely out of the way. This is where internal products act like activewear. This diagram shows a standard tampon. It sits securely inside the body and absorbs fluid before it can exit. A menstrual cup works a bit differently. Instead of absorbing fluid, it's made of flexible silicone that creates a secure seal to collect it. Both of these options take a little bit of practice. It's normal to need a few tries to figure out how to insert them comfortably. The benefit of a tampon is that it's very discreet. If it's positioned correctly, you won't even be able to feel that it's there. There is also a stringless version called a soft tampon. Because they don't have a string, they allow for mess-free intercourse during your period. Menstrual cups are excellent for high-performance activities. Because they create a physical seal, they are very reliable for swimming or intense sports where you want to be certain there won't be any leaks. While it takes a moment to learn the technique, these products allow you to stay active and move freely without worrying about extra layers or bulk. Now that you know the different pieces in your period wardrobe, you can start putting together the right outfits for your day. First, check your comfort zone. Think about whether you feel more relaxed starting with an external pad or if you're ready to try an internal option. Next, look at your schedule. Are you going to be mostly stationary at school or work? Or is today the day you hit the pool? You can always mix and match. You might keep a tampon in your gym bag for a workout, and then switch to a pair of period underwear at night when you're ready to relax. Finding a routine that works for you is a process of exploring what makes you feel best. For more guides and resources, subscribe to the channel and download the Yes Mom app today. Your period is a normal part of life. With the right options on hand, you can stay comfortable no matter what you have planned.